Well, I bought another bike, but it needs a little bit of work. Welcome back to another video, guys. We got a special one today. We're adding another bike to the channel yet again. This one, we're kind of going back to our roots. Picked up another CBR600RR. It was, in fact, wrecked. Got it for a really good deal, clean title, with a little bit of prior knowledge on taking these things apart and putting them back together. It would be not a bad idea to pick it up and rebuild it. I think it's going to be a pretty fun journey to film the rebuilding process and show you guys all the fun things you can do and how easy these things are to put together. They're not as scary as they look sometimes. We picked up a 08 CBR600RR. Just by the looks of it, you can tell it sat for a long time. It fell off a trailer going about 5 miles per hour, tore off a bunch of cosmetic stuff, damaged a lot of different little things. It's not too bad. It's also a graffiti edition, which, I mean, it's nothing too special, but kind of a cool little special edition Honda put out in 08. But the main thing is this front section that looks the absolute worst. Ripped off the whole front, like front cowl. And then all the supports under here are crunched. Luckily, Honda makes it super easy. It's just a big support right there, 4 bolts. You can take the dash out. May need to work a little bit on the intake since there's a little opening right there, but that won't be a big problem. Come to the side, nothing crazy. I mean, you got your scrapes right here, but the big thing is this frame slider. This frame slider took the brunt, or the most damage. Saved the bike though, which was really nice. Coming to the rear, comes with an exhaust. Seat's a little torn up, but tail's a little beat up. It's not bad at all. We'll clean it up in the next video and start taking it apart and see what we need. But for now, I just wanted to kind of introduce you guys to it. Left side is not bad at all. I don't know if you can see right there. There's a big dent there. I don't know, that's gonna be kind of fun trying to find these plastics. But I don't think it'll be too hard. For a little treat for you guys, let's try to start it up real quick and see if we can get this thing running. That should wrap up the video. As you can see from that little clip, runs perfect. When it did wreck, it sat for about a year in a garage. So battery's completely shot. That is why we needed the jump pack. Once we get a new battery in there, get this old fuel out of the way, I think this bike should run perfect again, like a normal Honda. When I bought this, I had to ride it home maybe I don't know, half a mile to a mile. Luckily we're in a small town, so it's not too far. I had to ride it home with the jump pack sitting on the gas tank and then the wires running down to the battery. So I was standing up, riding home. The amount of looks I got, it was pretty funny, but it was worth it to bring this thing home. I think the hardest part about this rebuild, honestly, is just gonna be finding these new fairings. I was gonna go with like a set of aftermarket fairings or even try to find some OEM ones. I don't know, just this graffiti edition, although they're not super rare, it'd just be kind of cool to continue it on, rebuild another graffiti edition because you don't see them a whole lot, so it'd be kind of shame to take it away. Our next biggest challenge with this is just this whole front section, getting that all buttoned back up, but I mean honestly, you just unbolt stuff, order the new intake port, or intake tube maybe, and then this front dash like structure, and it bolts right up. Everything's in line, so that shouldn't be too hard at all. If you guys, throughout this video series, if you guys want to see anything, learn how to do anything, just comment down below and I will be happy to make a video on it. Just excited to get it cleaned up and get it back to its glory. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys stick around to see how this thing turns out. Got a few things in mind for it, but if you guys have any more cool things you want to see, let me know. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.